Katie and Ashlyn each got a piece of licorice rope exactly the same size. Katie ate 11/12 of her rope and Ashlyn ate 7/8 of her rope. Who ate more, Katie or Ashlyn? So the first thing here is we want to outline who we have and what quantities we have. So we have Katie, who ate 11/12 of her licorice rope, and we have Ashlyn, who ate 7/8 of her licorice rope. I'm going to write those down again over here. So we have Katie. And as I say many times, sometimes the hardest part is just staying organized. A lot of times you guys will do all the math correctly and then make a goof because your work is kind of messy. So make sure you keep everything nice and organized. So we have Katie ate 11/12, and we have Ashlyn who ate 7/8. Now, it's tricky to compare these two because we have different denominators, right? For example, if we had 10/12 and 8/12, it'd be really easy to see who ate more, right? 10/12 is much more than 8/12. But because we don't have the same denominator, so here we have 12s in our denominators, but here we have a 12 and an 8. We have two different denominators here, see? So it's kind of hard to compare them, right? So the easiest thing to do is to find a way to make them both have the same denominator, make both of these bottom numbers the same, okay? So the way to do that is to find the multiples of each number. So if I have 11/12 and 7/8, I'm going to list the multiples of each below. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. And finding the multiples of a number is the same thing as skip counting by that number. So like 8, 16, 24, 32. And then for 12, I'm going to start from 12, and then I'm going to go to 24. And then, oh, I don't even have to go any farther because look, they both have 24 as a common multiple. A common multiple. So now I'm going to ask myself, okay, what do I need to multiply 12 by to make our bottom 24? I have to multiply by 2. 1, 2. And if I'm multiplying the bottom by something, I need to multiply the top of the same thing. So 11 times 2 is 22. So now, instead of 11/12, we cross this off, and I can rename this 22/24. Okay? Now for Ashlyn, I need to multiply the bottom by 1, 2, 3 to get 24. Okay? And if I'm multiplying the bottom by something, I have to multiply the top of the same number. 7 times 3 is 21. So now I'm going to rename this into 21/24. And now look, we have the same denominator. We have 24 and 24 for both. And now it's really easy to see. Katie ate more because 22 is more than 21. Now, stay tuned for a whole new video for the fast finisher of Ashlyn eating 3 times as much licorice as she had the week before. That'll be a whole new video, so stay tuned. If you have any questions on this first part here, feel free to leave me notes in the comments.